Hi everyone, my name is Jenna.
Hi, my name is Ren. We are the student researchers at the University of Alberta.
And our topic of interest is nutrition, which is the study of how food makes us healthy.
And today we are going to do 2 experiments. The first one will show what happened to the food when we eat it.
And the second one shows how different foods are faster when they are taken up into our body.
In the first experiment, the food is represented by bread and banana slices. Saliva is represented by water in the water bottle. The teeth are represented by the whisk, and stomach juice is represented by the lemon juice. There's also the mouth that's represented by the clear bowl, the stomach represented by the Ziploc bag, and the intestine represented by the pencil case. And then finally, the body is represented by the kitchen bowl, and the end stage of the intestine is represented by the clear water bottle.
So this is the food. This food is a slice of bread with some banana on top. When you put food into your mouth, your teeth start to break down the food into smaller pieces. Something else that also happens in the mouth is that saliva is added. And this helps it to further break down. After we're done chewing up the food in our mouths, we will swallow it, and it will end up in our stomach. In the stomach, something else called stomach juice is added. And this juice helps the food to break down even further. In the stomach, the food will get mixed and turned until it is very broken down. After the food is broken down in the stomach, it will enter into the intestine. The food in the intestine will get absorbed into the body and will help us with growth, and it will provide us with energy. And the parts of the food that help us with this escape into the body. The part of the food that remains in the intestine becomes waste, and it will exit our body.
Remember from the last experiment, the food that we eat will go into the intestine, and part of the food that we need for growth and energy will goes into our body. However, the bread and the banana will enter our body at different speeds.
And so our next experiment is going to show how this is done. So on the left-hand side here, there is a cup of flour, and flour is a part of the bread we had before. And then we also have a little bowl of artificial blood. On the right-hand side, we have a cup of sugar, and sugar is a part of the banana we had before. We also have another bowl of the artificial blood. So when the parts of the banana and the bread escape into the body, they go into the bloodstream like we have here. So now we have equal amounts of the sugar on the right and the flour on the left. And we're gonna add each of them to the artificial blood. And then we're gonna see how fast they get absorbed. So right now, most of the sugar has been absorbed into the artificial blood, whereas the flour is still on top of the surface and hasn't been absorbed.
So this shows that the body absorbs the sugar from the banana faster than the flour from the bread.
So thank you for joining us today to watch our 2 experiments. We hope that you enjoyed them and that you enjoy Science Fun Week. Bye!